Guys, naka-shortcut na ba kayo dito sa may tulay guys? Dito sa may Quezon City. Ang labas nito guys is Scout Reyes. Dito guys, tatawid lang tayo sa may tulay. Tulay na yan. Wait lang guys ha. Ito guys ito yung tulay na yun guys. Kakanan tayo guys. Ang tawid niyan is Scout Reyes na. Welcome. Dahan lang guys, kay medyo masikip ang tulay. Eto na guys, yun. Ruas District na pala siya guys. Welcome to Ruas District. Ayan na, welcome to Ruas District. Yan guys, pag kumaliwa, Scout Reyes na. Yes, welcome to Scout Reyes, Ruas District, Quezon City. Thank you for watching guys. Bye. Yes guys, welcome to Barangay Paligsahan. Ito na pala yung Barangay Paligsahan guys. Ito siya guys Alright guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye. Yes guys, Roses Avenue na guys. Ito pala yung Roses Avenue. Tapos sa kaliwa guys, Amoranto na. Amoranto Stadium. Amoranto Stadium na sa kaliwa guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Yes guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching guys Thank you for watching here in Quezon City. Alright, bye.